Hello everyone, this is Sakina here, and today I'm going to do a twin flame reading. This is basically an energy update for this week. So, basically, we will just see what is currently going on in your connection and where is that you have to really surrender or really focus on. So, basically, it's just an energy update. So I have three decks. One is the energy oracle deck, one is the angels answers, and one is a power of surrender. So what I'll do is I'll pick up two cards from each of the pile, and we will you know we will do a reading about it. So I have already pre-shuffled these. So let's get started. So what I have for energy oracle is okay. Wow, beautiful. So what I get from this card, the first card is the garden and the gate. Basically, if you look this girl carefully, you know, um, it seems that she is standing. She is standing in an gate, which is not even locked. Okay, so uh, and she has the key. So what is the key? So um, on this journey, all you have to do is keep healing yourself, and the day when you start healing, the day when you feel that you're completely healing all your upsets, you will find that I'm sorry you will find that your gateway is already open, and she has the key. If you see closely in her neck, she is wearing a key, so she already has a key. So she has all the keys to open this gate and look out for her abundance, look out for all the abundance what God has given to her. And right now she's focusing something outside. So if you see, she is gazing outside, and basically the twin flame journey is nothing about looking outside of yourself. It's something what you have to heal within yourself, within your consciousness. So yeah, it's full of blossoming. Like the card, the energy of the card is like it's completely blossoming and full of abundance, love, care. So this journey is that way. It's full of abundance, love. Yeah. And the next card for is such a beautiful card what we got, because we are talking about twin flame journey, and um, nothing can really move in this journey until you heal. So this card shows healer of the ages. Oh, looking at this picture, I feel it's Jesus Christ, and you know, um, also something that you have all the power. You know, you have all the power to heal it, to raise above this. So if you see, there are some light in your own self. There is a light in your own self which you can really come off with, and when you heal this, like you rise above, and you basically you feel powerful. You are own your own you make your own reality. So that's what it is. Healer of the ages is nothing but God is supporting you. Angels and God and Christ is supporting you for this. So yes, take a chance and move, heal. That's it. And then you can see the difference what you can make in your life, in your journey, in your entire life basically. Okay, let's move on to the next pile, which is the angel answer. So if we are asking something to angels, like, yeah, many, we are always curious about it. What is it? So Mm. Okay. So what I've got is unlikely. The card denotes to me that there is nothing which is impossible. You know, um, I feel like this card is all of. Uh, there is an angel which is rising above from the waters. So don't think that there is nothing what you can do. Um, so this gives me a vibe of that even if it is like uh, heavy for you right now, but you can rise above that. There is nothing which is you cannot achieve in this journey. And why do you keep thinking that you cannot achieve, you cannot do this, you cannot do that? And it gives me a very peaceful energy because the colors are so peaceful. The like it gives you a confidence to move on. And yeah, it's a beautiful card. I see it's like a rising card. It's literally rising above your own divinity. And yeah, it's wonderful. And the next card is forgiveness. uh, okay, if I really have to explain this card, is like keep forgiving yourself on this journey, keep forgiving others on this journey. God is there for them, God is there for you. So if there is something which you're holding on to, like any of your past, any of your grudges or something, it's God is giving you a sign that forgive it. It's forgive yourself, forgive the other, because you never knew what was it. And before coming to this journey, we must have gone through many of the changes in our life, many of the upsets in our life. So keep healing, and keep forgiving where you felt that you were not sufficient, you were not worthy. Because this journey is all about self-love. And keep giving that love to yourself by forgiving yourself, because in God's eye, there is nobody who makes a mistake. And in God's eye, there is nobody like, I mean, he doesn't punish anybody. So he's not a punishing God at all. So yeah, uh, he's just asking you to forgive yourself. Again, this is a very beautiful message that, yeah, keep forgiving. So the next card is what is it that you need to surrender on this journey? If you're likely getting stuck on it, and you feel that there is some stuck energy, uh, we will just look into what is exactly you feeling that it's stuck. Mm, okay. Yeah. So the card is surrender outdated beliefs about yourself. Again, as I said, it's very much linked to the card what we got of forgiveness. So let me read this card first. Let go of limiting ideas about yourself and originate from the past. Then you can own your power and soar in your life. Exactly what I said. So you really have to let go of your past. Let go of how you were, or let go of how things happened in past, because that's not going to serve you. Like, it will never serve you on this journey. All you have to do is just keep forgiving yourself wherever you felt that there was something you didn't do as per that, as per the timings, or as per what was required. You don't need to really punish yourself for that. And again, it's like keep forgiving there where you feel that you made some mistakes, because in reality, uh, it's nothing that we make mistakes or something. It's just that we are not aware of it. So when you're not aware of it, it's actually not a mistake. So that's what my belief is. So now that you know, you got to just surrender whatever belief systems you had about yourself, about a relationship, about God, about divine, about anybody, for that matter. So yeah, it's basically surrender outdated beliefs about yourself. Then we have the surrender the drama. The next card is surrender the drama. Can you see the card? Yeah. Let me read this. No matter how emotionally charged the situation, remain calm and don't contribute to the drama. Staying centered will help resolve the issues more quickly. Again, so as um, basically you don't give any upper hand to drama, whatever is going on in your life. So all you have to do is keep surrendering to that. Surrendering doesn't mean that you just let it go. No, I'm not saying you to let it go. There is a difference about letting go and surrendering. Surrendering is basically you keep healing. You keep healing that part of yourself wherein you're feeling that you're emotionally charged, and the situation is not that great for you right now. So how it works is that the more you do your inner work on this journey, on any upsets what you get, um, you will see a pattern that of the past, that you are just shedding it out. So basically it's like, we always have this tendency, before even knowing this work, it was my tendency, everybody's tendency, because we are not aware of. So we always had the tendency to create drama, in a sense. uh, Self pity. We all are prone to that. We need somebody to give us an assurance, give us some uh, love and care. But no, this journey doesn't point you there. It points you your inner self. So if you are in your inner self is at peace, you can feel the world is peaceful. So the only thing, again, what I can say here is keep doing the inner work. And I am a student of Jeff and Shelia in Open Twin Flames universe. And I would invite whoever is watching these videos to come join us, to come join the community, because uh, it's really difficult without them. And they are the only channel who can whose teachings are really helpful on this twin flame journey. And yeah, so I'll post the link there of the open forum. Join us, and you can take regular coachings with coach. I am also a certified coach. There are many excellent coaches in the community, so you can get connected to any of it, whomever you are called. And I'm always there to help any of you. So I'll link my email address. My website is still under process, so I'll link up my email address. You can get connected with me, and you can connect in the open forum. And the most important thing is, there is this massive sale which is about to end on 8th of July. So if anybody who's really wanting a change in their life, I would invite, please, to enroll yourself. Ask on the open forum, and just get that going, because it's really beneficial, because it's like massive discount. It was a pandemic relief discounts, and that's just going to get over, and it's a great deal to enroll. That's it from my side, and I'll meet you in another video soon, very soon. Till then, keep doing your inner work. keep doing your mirror exercise, and yeah, keep doing that, and keep be happy, be peaceful. All right, thank you, bye.